Let me show you how to drive a Bugatti Chiron Super Sport. First, check your bank account to make sure you can afford to start this up. Then you can take the key and place it into this compartment here, but I'm gonna put it in this nice leather cubby. To start it up, you wanna put your foot on the brake and press the engine button on the steering wheel. To put it into drive, you push the gear selector to the right once. To go into neutral, you push it to the left. And to go into reverse, you go to the left and down. But to put it into park, you press the top right here. And on the left here is your drive mode selector. You have Bugatti, which is the normal mode, Autobahn, which is your highway mode, which will lower the car a little bit. And then you have track mode for maximum performance. But if you want to go into the top speed mode, you want to take the key that's hidden over here and place it into this keyhole and turn it. That way you can go up to 262 miles an hour. Now in the middle are all your AC controls. This controls where the air is pointing, how fast your fans are running, your temperature. But if I press and hold this button here, it'll change these displays to show your performance metrics. The top one shows your horsepower, this shows your speed, this shows how long you've been driving.